Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you that you could create professional, faceless videos in under a minute without writing scripts, recording a voiceover, or hiring expensive freelancers? Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Today, I'm showing you ClipsPro AI, a tool that could literally change how you create content and even make money online, starting today. Before we dive in, let's be clear. ClipsPro AI is for beginners, marketers, small business owners, and anyone looking to make faceless videos quickly. If you're someone who loves full manual editing or enjoys spending hours on every frame, this might not be your tool. But if you want fast, professional results, you'll love it. And trust me, this is where a lot of people struggle. Creating videos is time-consuming, expensive, and frustrating. ClipsPro AI solves all of that in one platform. Here's how it works. You log in, type a keyword, and the AI generates a ready-to-publish video in seconds. No scripts, no recording, nothing. It can also convert any audio or MP4 into a video, automatically add subtitles, captions, and even multiple language support. Think about this. Most people spend hours editing videos, outsourcing voiceovers, or hiring freelancers, sometimes spending hundreds of dollars per video. ClipsPro AI does all of that in literally a few clicks. And it's not just theory, I've tested it myself. In under 5 minutes, I had a full video ready to upload. Faceless, professional, and engaging. And the quality? Comparable to what you'd pay a designer hundreds for. Quick question, how many of you are struggling to make videos for YouTube, TikTok, or social media? Comment below, because this tool might save you hours every single week. People like Akshat Gupta and Mike McKay have been using it and report massive engagement increases, more views, and higher retention. Users are even selling these AI-generated videos to clients for profit. One user claimed they created 10+ videos in a day, something that would normally take a week. That's the power of automation plus AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this legit or does it look cheap? Here's the truth. ClipsPro AI is real, reliable, and produces high-quality videos. Unlike some other AI tools, this one gives you full commercial rights so you can sell videos, create content for your brand, or even offer video services. And it's super easy to use, no tech skills required. Compared to other platforms that require hours of learning, this is literally plug and play. Compared to alternatives like InVideo, Pictory, or raw video editors, ClipsPro AI saves you both time and money. Most other tools either lack automation, require subscriptions, or don't give you commercial rights. This one does it all in one click, which is why it's perfect for beginners and business owners. Here's the deal. Normally, this tool is $199 per month, but right now there's a limited time offer for $14 one time, and it comes with premium bonuses and commercial rights. These offers don't last long, and once the spots are gone, they're gone. So if you're serious about creating content fast or starting a faceless video business, this is the moment to act. So here's what you do next. Click the link in the description, grab ClipsPro AI, and start making videos today. Don't wait, your competition isn't. Remember, it's one-time payment, unlimited potential, and you can literally start profiting from your first video. Click the link now and let's make your video creation effortless.